Hello everyone, I'm Sniti and you all know me that I'm your French master teacher from Master French with Sniti, and today we are going to start with a very important chapter of Apprenons le Français Part 1, which is published by the Saraswati House. So the name of the chapter is To Guess, that is deviner. So now what are we waiting for? Let's go and jump on to the chapter. So here we are at the first page of the chapter, that is deviner. I have already told you the meaning, that means to guess. Now what is guess? It is a type of interrogation or a way to ask questions. So now we can interpret from the name of the chapter only that in this chapter हम कुछ ना कुछ questions के बारे में शायद पढ़ने वाले हैं. And yes, you are right. So we are going to see two types of questions, two ways to ask question, that is what is this and who is this in French. Then we learn about the fruits and vegetables, their names, and then about the counting from 21 to 100. And at last comes the all-time favorite Apprenons table, and we'll read that also. So that's the reason why I told that this is a very important chapter, as it contains three important topics, that is the interrogation, the fruits and vegetables, and the counting. Now let us go on to the first page and understand what is written here. So here is a small depiction of dialogues for us, and that we need to read. But before reading this, let me tell you that this boy with green t-shirt is Manuel, and this boy with orange t-shirt is Anish. Then we have a girl behind him, and that is Nadia. So now let us read the conversation between Anish and Manuel. Écoutez et regardez, that means listen and see. Anish says, Salut Manuel, bon anniversaire. Hello Manuel, happy birthday. Manuel replies, Merci beaucoup Anish. Qu'est-ce que c'est? That means thank you Anish. What is this? Anish replies, C'est un cadeau, which means this is a gift. Manuel tries to guess what is in the gift box. He says, C'est un livre. Is this a book? Anish replies, Non, ce sont des chocolats. No, they are chocolates. Manuel replies, Ah, c'est gentil. Et elle? Qui est ce? That means, Ah, so gentle. And who is she? Anish replies, C'est une amie. This is a friend. Elle s'appelle Nadia. Her name is Nadia, or you can also say that she is Nadia. Now let us go on to the next page and learn about the two types of interrogations. So the first one here we have is qu'est-ce que c'est, that means what is this, and the next one is qui est ce, that means who is this. So here are multiple answers given to us, and let us read it for the first one, that is qu'est-ce que c'est. So the first one is c'est une chaise, this is a chair. Ce sont des livres, these are books. C'est un vélo, this is a cycle. Then we have for qui est ce, that is c'est Napoleon, this is Napoleon. C'est un garçon, this is a boy. Ce sont des garçons, these are boys. So now as you can see from the email that in the first one Anish is only present there. In the next one there are both Anish and Manuel. Therefore there are two boys and we are referring to that. Now let us go on to the box and understand what is depicted here to us. So at the first of this, it is written the name of the sentences of the questions, that is qui est ce and qu'est-ce que c'est. So let us first read about qui est ce, that means who is this or who are these. And then we have qu'est-ce que c'est, that means what is this and what are these. Now you are seeing that there are two meanings for one sentence only. So then what is the difference? The main difference is that they can be used for both singular and plural. It is the topic for both qui est ce and qu'est-ce que c'est. Now let us read to the examples about all these. But before doing so, let us understand why is the differentiation between these two questions. So qui est ce is used to find about people. And qu'est-ce que c'est is also used to find about something, but it is not people, but it is objects or animals. Now the first example in qui est ce is that first we need to put the question, that is qui est ce, and then we'll get the answer, that is il répare des voitures, he repairs the cars. Il est mécanicien, he is a mechanic. Then we have the next one, that is first we'll say qui est ce, and then we'll have the answer, c'est mon ami, this is my friend. But then we have the same sentence in the below, but just the difference is that it is for plural. Ce sont mes amis, these are my friends. Now let us go on and see for qu'est-ce que c'est. So now let us read the first example for qu'est-ce que c'est, that is c'est un stylo, that means this is a pen. Then we have the same sentence below, but what is the difference? Why have they differentiated it between us? So the reason is that the first one is singular and the second one is plural. Ce sont des stylos, these are pens. Then we have the next example, that is c'est un oiseau, this is a bird. Then we have the next sentence below it, that is ce sont des oiseaux, these are birds. Now here is a short note written for us, that is for animals and birds we use qu'est-ce que c'est. अब हमने तो ये जान लिया कि qui est क्यों यूज़ होता है पीपल के बारे में, बट जब हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं qu'est-ce que c'est इज़ यूज अबाउट ऑब्जेक्ट्स, वी यूज़ इट टू नो अबाउट ऑब्जेक्ट. अब यहाँ पे एनिमल्स क्यों जोड़ दिया? क्योंकि qui est उन्हें सिर्फ पीपल के लिए रखना था एंड उन्होंने ऑब्जेक्ट्स के ही साथ एनिमल्स को भी जोड़ दिया. Now let us go on to the next page. Here we have the fruits and we'll learn about them. Then we have the vegetables and the numbers. So first let us see about the fruit. The first one here we have is une banane, that is a banana. Then we have une pomme, an apple. At the next of this apple we have a orange, that is an orange. Then we have une mong, that is a mango. In the next row we have une papaye, that is a papaya. अब मैं ये सब चीज़ें जो है मैं पढ़ रही हूँ और आपको बता रही हूँ, बट अगर आपको नहीं पता कि ये क्या होते हैं तो ये आपके सामने इमेजेस दे रखे हैं और आप उनको देख के गेस कर सकते हैं कि ये कौन सा फ्रूट है. नाउ लेट अस गो ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज़ a raisin, that is a grape. Then we have a cherry, that is une cerise. At the next row we have a ananas, that is an pineapple. Then we have the next one, that is a lychee, and it in French is known as a lychee. Sorry, my bad for the pineapple. It is a pineapple, not an pineapple. Then we have the next one, une pastèque, which is for a watermelon. Then we have the most favorite fruit among all of them, that is a strawberry, and it in French is known as une fraise. At the last line we have three fruits. The first one is une pêche, that is a peach. Then we have une prune, that is a plum, and at last we have a date, that is une date. So that was all for this video, and we'll cover the rest of the topics in the upcoming part of the video. I hope that you liked it, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more fun video, and I teach you in a fun and fantastic way that will make you learn French more easily. I hope that you liked it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and have a nice day.